Hello all, welcome to CSAT today. Let's go to the next reading comprehension question for the day. This is 2021 paper set B question number 13 which is an inference kind of question. Okay, हमें infer करना है passage में दी हुई information से. With the reference to the above passage, ये question है with the reference to the above passage the following assumptions have been made. दो assumptions हैं, कुछ codes हैं and you have to boil down to which assumptions are correct according to the passage. Pause the video, attempt it and then get back. I am and attempt with me then. Okay, let's start reading. Policy makers and media have placed the blame of skyrocketing food prices on a variety of factors. So media और policy makers जो हैं वो skyrocketing food prices को blame किया है कुछ factors पे. These factors include high fuel prices, okay, number one, which is high fuel prices, bad weather in the key food producing countries. So this is number two, bad weather conditions and diversion of land to non-food production. Okay, so this is the third reason for skyrocketing food prices. Increased emphasis, however, has been placed on surge in demand for food from most populous emerging economies. So there is an emphasis which is laid on increased demand. जो populous emerging economies हैं वहाँ पे increased demand है food की. It seems highly probable, chances हैं that mass consumption in these countries could be well poised to create a food crisis. So ऐसा possibility है कि एक food crisis आ सकता है because of mass consumption in populous emerging economies. Okay, so this is what the passage talks about. With reference to the passage, which assumptions are correct? Now, first assumption says oil producing countries are one of the reasons for high food prices. Now, this looks a little abrupt. अगर हम लोग पीछे जाएं और देखें कि यहाँ बोला गया कि स्काई रॉकेटिंग फूड प्राइसेस के लिए तीन रीजंस हैं और पहला रीजन है हाई फ्यूल प्राइसेस. हाई फ्यूल प्राइसेस, बैड वेदर कंडीशंस एंड डाइवर्जन ऑफ लैंड. सो फ्यूल की बात इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हुई है बिकॉज ऑफ हाई फ्यूल प्राइसेस मे बी द प्राइसेस ऑफ फूड इज इंक्रीजिंग. बट देयर nowhere it has been said that oil producing countries की वजह से high prices हैं. Okay, by the knowledge of GK maybe it could be true at some point of time but not in the passage. Okay, if there is a food crisis in the world in the near future, it will be in emerging economies. Now, does the passage say that? Let's go and see. Surge in demand for food from most populous emerging economies. Populous emerging economies में food की demand ज़्यादा है. इस demand की वजह से there is a chance कि एक food crisis आ सकता है. But does this say कि ये food crisis सिर्फ in emerging economies में आएगा? ओके, इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमीज में आएगा? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोला गया है. फूड क्राइसिस पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी आ सकता है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दिस फूड क्राइसिस will be anywhere in the world and not only emerging economies. Okay, so we'll not go by this assumption as well. So we'll stick to answer D, which is neither 1 nor 2. It was an inference kind of question, economy area से था. And the technique you could have used here would be build a connection and eliminate. Okay, जो connection fuel से आपको बनाना है, जो connection यहाँ पे आपको बनाना है कि ये क्राइसिस कहाँ पे आएगा, किसकी वजह से आएगा, ये कनेक्शंस बिल्ड करने से आप एलिमिनेट कर पाएंगे and you will be able to reach to the answer better. Now let's look at the tough words or the key words from the passage. Skyrocketing मतलब steep increase, बहुत ज़्यादा increase. Diversification, expanding variety. Populous, ज़्यादा populated, heavily populated. Emerging economies, डेवलपिंग नेशंस विथ रैपिड ग्रोथ, जिसमें ज्यादा फटाफट ग्रोथ होती है. दे आर इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमीज. मास कंजम्पशन, वाइड स्प्रेड यूज ऑफ गुड्स, ज्यादा कंज्यूम करना. एंड वेल poised, likely to happen favorably. Okay, so that is called well poised. So these were the keywords from the passage. Thank you all. Let's meet tomorrow with the next PYQ.